Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, back at it again with the stock market alpha. Chuckles. Nah, but seriously, guys, today's video is all about making you some serious money. What if I told you that some of India's best tech stocks are primed for massive growth right now? In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to break down the top 5 tech stocks you need to have in your portfolio. Plus, a special 21,000 rupee surprise just for you if you stay till the end. Short, dramatic pause. I'm talking like life-changing gains, guys. We're talking about companies at the forefront of the tech revolution in India. And trust me, you want to get in on this action. Think about it. India is becoming a global tech hub, and these companies are leading the charge. We're about to dive deep into their financials, their future prospects, and why I think they're absolute steals right now. So, buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, winks, and let's get this money. First up on our list, we have the big daddy of Indian IT, Tata Consultancy Services, or as we all know it, TCS. Now I know what you're thinking. TCS? Isn't that like your dad's stock? Chuckles. And yeah, it might be. But guess what? Dad's probably sitting on a gold mine right now. TCS is trading at around 3,580 rupees per share. It's not just the biggest IT services company in India, but a global player. They're everywhere, man. Their revenue is growing steadily, focusing on cloud computing, AI, and cybersecurity. These are the battlegrounds of the future, and TCS is ready to dominate. They're partnering with everyone from startups to Fortune 500 companies. They're consistently profitable and reward shareholders with dividends. Investing in TCS means growth and getting paid to hold the stock. It's like having your biryani and eating it too. TCS is a blue chip stock for a reason. It's stable, reliable, and has massive growth potential. For a long-term investment, you can sleep soundly with TCS is the way to go. Trust me, your portfolio will thank you for it. Alright, moving on to our next tech giant, Infosys. Now, Infosys is a personal favorite of mine, and I'll tell you why. They're not just content with being one of the biggest IT players in the game, they're going all in on the future, and that future is AI. Trading at around 1,430 rupees per share, Infosys is like that friend who's always ahead of the curve. They've got a massive global footprint, but what sets them apart is their relentless focus on AI and automation. These guys are developing cutting-edge AI solutions that are transforming industries. Think about it. We're talking about AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer service, AI algorithms that can predict market trends, and AI-driven automation that's making businesses more efficient than ever before. Infosys is at the forefront of this revolution, and their revenue numbers prove it. Last year alone, they raked in over 50,000 crore rupees in revenue, and a big chunk of that came from their digital services, which includes AI. That tells you everything you need to know about where their priorities lie. But here's the kicker. Infosys is still undervalued compared to its peers. The market hasn't fully grasped the potential of their AI-focused strategy, which means there's a huge opportunity for investors like you and me to get in on the ground floor. Chapter 3. HCL Technologies, Riding the Cloud Wave. Let's talk about a company quietly building an empire in the cloud, HCL Technologies. HCL might not be as flashy as others, but they're a force to be reckoned with. Trading at around 1,230 rupees per share, HCL focuses on cloud services and digital engineering. Every company is moving to the cloud, and HCL is the seasoned guide. They're the go-to partner for cloud migration, a market that's exploding. We're talking about a multi-billion-dollar industry growing rapidly. HCL also invests in data analytics, cybersecurity, and digital workplace solutions. They're a one-stop shop for digital transformation. HCL's steady and consistent growth makes them a solid portfolio choice. Chapter 4. Wipro Limited, the reinvention story. Now, let's talk about a company that's been around the block a few times, but is showing everyone that they've still got it. Wipro Limited. Trading at around 410 rupees per share, Wipro is one of India's oldest tech companies, but don't let their age fool you. They're like that wise old sage who's constantly adapting and evolving. See, Wipro realized that to stay ahead in the tech game, you can't just rest on your laurels. You need to be bold, you need to be innovative, and you need to be willing to embrace the next big thing. And that's exactly what they're doing. They've been on a major acquisition spree lately, snapping up smaller companies that specialize in cutting-edge technologies like blockchain and cybersecurity. They're basically building a tech powerhouse from the ground up, and it's paying off. Their global presence is expanding rapidly, and they're winning major contracts from some of the biggest companies in the world. They're proving that age is just a number, and that with the right strategy, even the most established companies can reinvent themselves. What I find exciting about Wipro is their underdog story. They're not afraid to shake things up and take risks, and that's the kind of spirit that leads to massive rewards in the tech world. They're a company on a mission, and I, for one, am betting on their success. Chapter 5. Tech Mahindra, the 5G and IoT trailblazer. Last but definitely not least, we've got a company that's making waves in the world of 5G and IoT, Tech Mahindra. Now, you know I love a good tech play, and Tech Mahindra is ticking all the right boxes for me. Currently trading at around 1,230 rupees per share, Tech Mahindra is known for its IT services, but they've really been stepping up their game in the 5G and IoT space. And let me tell you, that's where the real action is going to be in the coming years. We're talking about a future where everything is connected, from your car to your refrigerator to your wristwatch. And 5G is the technology that's going to make that hyper-connected future a reality. Tech Mahindra is right at the forefront of this revolution, developing 5G solutions that are going to change the way we live, work, and play. They've partnered with some of the biggest names in the telecom industry to roll out 5G networks. And they're also working on innovative IoT solutions for industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. What excites me about Tech Mahindra is their vision. They're not just thinking about the next few quarters, they're thinking about the next decade and beyond. They're betting big on the future of connectivity, and I think it's a smart bet to make. Outro, don't miss out. Claim your bonuses. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 tech stocks that I believe are primed for explosive growth in the Indian market. Remember guys, this is not financial advice. It's just me sharing my personal opinions. Do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and invest responsibly. Now, as promised, here's how you can claim 21,000 rupees worth of financial calculators. All you need to do is hit subscribe, send a screenshot to WhatsApp at 9113-211787 and claim your free calculators today. Also, don't miss the How to Automate Trades course, normally worth 7,000 rupees, but today you can grab it for just 99 rupees. Click the link in the description and start automating your trades now. Don't wait, this deal won't last long. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on the stock market, and let me know in the comments which tech stock you're adding to your portfolio. See you in the next video.